News this evening, Cooley Dickinson Hospital announcing 2 patients have tested positive for coronavirus. While this may be unsettling to the community, some hospital employees tell Western Mass News they are also feeling anxious. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane getting answers, and she joins us with more. Lindsay?
The co-chair of the Massachusetts Nurses Association tells me that nurses are reusing masks since there's a shortage of equipment, something that's unsettling to many. With 2 patients testing positive for coronavirus at Cooley Dickinson Hospital, some employees tell Western Mass News that the atmosphere inside the hospital is worrisome.
A lot of people are concerned about their own families, bringing things back to them.
Co-chair of the Massachusetts Nurses Association for Cooley Dickinson Hospital tells Western Mass News over the phone one of those concerns comes from the hospital being low on supplies and nurses are being asked to reuse masks.
It's certainly not ideal, and just given what we know about this virus and how easily it's spread, it's unsettling for many of our nurses.
Christina Trinchero, Marketing Communications Director for the hospital, tells Western Mass News that this move comes from a recent recommendation from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. She says in part, it is critical that we conserve personal protective equipment due to national shortages and back orders of these materials. And some employees are feeling unsettled knowing some safety equipment is hard to keep in stock.
There's a lot of anxiety going around in terms of the availability of supplies to keep us safe. And also with these cases, just being exposed to the virus and everything like that.
In a FaceTime interview, Emma Dragon, emergency department nurse at the hospital, says she personally knows at least 10 employees out of work because of the virus, not including herself. She was sent home from work with a fever and was tested for coronavirus Wednesday morning, which leaves many employees wondering if there will be enough staffing if more nurses are sent home. Something St. Jean says is an ongoing problem already.
Staffing has been an issue, and having enough nurses have been an issue, all along. I mean, we're just, with flu season and then the behavioral health crisis that's out there, staffing has been an issue even prior to this.
Cooley Dickinson Hospital has changed their visitor policies. Right now, they're not allowing any visitors. Meanwhile, the Massachusetts Nurses Association says that they are working on getting more scrubs for the nurses in order to help stop germs from spreading. In Northampton, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.